Never install these retractable gutter extensions in the north. These are froze up. We're here in Michigan. We're installing an underground drainage system for gutter downspouts. We're going to use a corrugated pipe. We're going to be using a lot of dual wall corrugated 4-inch pipe to replace these retractable gutter extensions that just freeze up here in the north. We just took this blower and cleared some snow away so that we can take the sod cutter and we cut the sod right here. We take 2.5 inches of root off. That way it's easy to handle. Remove all that. And we're going to take dual wall pipe right to the end here where we have a lot of drop, and then we're going to put a 6-inch catch basin there so they can clean out the shingle gravel. Reason why I want to use dual wall, I do have a lot of fall on this run, and I could get away with just, using single wall corrugated pipe, but right here, all the velocity that we built on this gravity powered system was lost right here. And this is where the leaves have been plugging this downspout system as well. So the homeowner went ahead and put leaf guards on the gutters. So we're going under the cement edging, landscape edging right now, and we'll be installing the pipe here shortly. If you're installing an underground downspout system, you're a DIY guy, and you live in the north, this is the channel. If you're looking for the service in northeastern Michigan, we are your guys. Give us a call.